Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Tonight we're Wednesday, the 30th of November, and my Wednesday channel shout out will be for Russell Belliveau channel. Russell is an outstanding Acadian. He lives in Nova Scotia. So here's Nova Scotia, and he lives in front of St. Mary's Bay and Bellivou's Cove, and it's a beautiful part of Nova Scotia that I like really much. Why? Because a few maybe 80 kilometers east, I used to work in Greenwood, CFB Greenwood. That was the Air Force base. I spent 10 years there in my 20s. So from 1991 to 2000, so I basically spent my youth there, my 20s. And I'm gonna talk about now for Russell. Russell is an outstanding jack of all trades and master of all, because he's cutting wood, he's get a wood mill, he's selling his wood, also his lumber wood. He's very mechanically, outstandingly. He rebuilt him and his family. I think it's his father. Sorry, I have a blank. But his family is they rebuilt an entire tractor. Also, he's very ingenious folks. He also built a rack with his lumber for carrying stuff. So he's got a lot of interesting video about how he do his firewood, how the windmill. He's got the windmill there outside. Now he's building his latest video. Yesterday he's building a sawmill building to put his sawmill inside. He's got also that's the tractor QT that we rebuilt. He went to, I remember, I have great memory about Kejimkujik Park, Keji. That's a big national park which is located in Nova Scotia, right here. So east of, I used to spend many winter survival weekend or week even during the winter. What else? He lived by the, like I told you, in front of the St. Mary's Bay. It's that area. It's a francophone. There's the University of Saint Anne, so it's a very good souvenir for me when I see videos from him. I spend many time around that place. He's he's got also his land. He's got a large forest land. That's where he cut his wood. So he started make video more than 1 year ago, I think. But it's really good channel, and with this channel, go see this gentleman, and a lot of you go, good folks, who have a windmill or maybe like the type of lumber, and he's very, it's a very nice channel to see. So on that, please leave a comment when you're gonna see the video. Hey, say hi, and I really appreciate that for the outstanding support you deserve for him, because trust me, he's got that channel will grow, but he's got this special Acadian that I missed. Basically, I'm more linked often to the Nova Scotia way of life than here. All right, so on that, please do take care of yourself, and yes, do enjoy your life. By the way, outside it's only -3 and gusty winds. I'm just coming back for the walk with the dog, so woof. It's not easy to walk on the ice. All right, so cheers.